Hearing a whining noise from your car can be worrying, but it does not always mean something is seriously wrong. By paying close attention and checking step by step, you can find out where the sound is coming from. When you hear a whining noise, try slowly turning the steering wheel left and right while driving in a safe place. Pay close attention to whether the sound gets louder when the wheel moves. If the noise increases during a turn, the problem is likely in the power steering system. This usually points to low power steering fluid, a worn pump, or a slipping belt. Noticing this early can help you fix the problem before it gets worse. Open the hood and find the power steering fluid reservoir. Look closely at the markings on the side to see if the fluid is at the proper level. If it is low, the system may be pulling in air, which can cause a whining sound when you turn the wheel. Low fluid often means there is a leak somewhere in the hoses or pump. Filling it to the correct level can help reduce the noise, but the source of the leak should still be checked. Power steering fluid helps the steering wheel turn smoothly with very little effort. It reduces friction inside the steering system, which prevents parts from wearing out too quickly. The fluid also protects the pump and hoses by keeping them properly lubricated. With the right fluid level, your car steers more easily and safely. Take a close look at the engine belts to see if they are worn, cracked, or loose. A damaged belt can slip while the engine is running and create a whining or squealing noise. Check if the belt looks shiny or glazed, as this means it is losing grip. Also make sure the belt tension is correct, because a loose belt cannot turn the pullers properly. Inspecting the belts regularly helps prevent sudden breakdowns and costly repairs. Look at the alternator and the other pulley wheels to make sure they are spinning smoothly. If a pulley is worn or damaged, it can create a whining or grinding noise while the engine runs. Listen closely for sounds coming from the front of the engine, as this is where most pulleys are located. A pulley that wobbles or sticks can also cause the belt to wear out faster. Checking these parts early helps prevent bigger problems and keeps the engine running smoothly. If the whining noise continues and you cannot find the cause, it is best to visit a professional mechanic. Driving with an unknown noise can lead to more serious damage. A mechanic can quickly identify the problem and recommend the right fix. Drive carefully while listening for any unusual whining sounds from your car. Staying alert helps you identify when and where the noise happens so you can diagnose the problem safely. So, by applying these tips and using the right products, you can diagnose a whining noise in your car.